friends, my name is Professor Am Asrao. I have authored more than 50 books, including the award-winning book titled See the Light in You, for which the Nobel laureate His Holiness the Dalai Lama in a foreword. In this short video, I talk about decision making. People make decisions. Sometimes you succeed, sometimes you fail, and there is nothing like a right or wrong decision. Everyone wants to succeed, but sometimes people fail. And one more thing is not to make a decision is also a decision. So you have to be very careful in making a decision and get all the information from various sources and analyze the things closely and make a decision. Once you make a decision and stick to it and take a feedback, and if it's good, it's fine. Otherwise, if it's not good, then again you try to improve your decision making. This is how you have to do it. When you make a decision, you need to blend your head, heart, gut, and intuition. And when you have full information, go by your head. If you don't have any information, then go by gut. That's how you have to make your decisions. So let me share with you my challenge. I was blessed to be alive of the brain stroke in the year 2021. I survived because of my positive psychology and because of the power of subconscious mind. I was born in a toxic family and grew up into a toxic environment. I have mental challenges, physical challenges, and financial challenges. I am dyslexic with ADHD. I am 59 years old with lots of challenges. Despite all the challenges, I rose like a phoenix of the brain stroke. So the message from this video is that there is nothing like a right outcome or a wrong outcome. You have to go by trial and error method and explore situational decision making. Thank you very much for subscribing to my YouTube channel.